Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone 16 Pro Max is updated and that both carriers support eSIM or dual SIM. Once done, open Settings and tap Cellular. Choose Add eSIM and scan the QR or use Carrier app. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID. This links plans to your device. If you have a physical SIM, insert it now alongside configuring the second line. These first steps get both lines recognized, so you can assign labels next. Once both plans appear, label each line so you know which is primary and which is secondary. Touch Cellular plans, then edit labels. Next, choose your default for voice and mobile data. Make sure you understand that data switching can affect apps. You can assign a specific line per contact in Contacts, which keeps personal and work calls separated. Also, enable Wi-Fi calling and set roaming preferences, now so calls and data behave predictably when you travel. Finish by testing. Place calls, send texts, and use mobile data from each line. Switch lines from Control Center when necessary. If a line won't activate, restart your iPhone, rescan the eSIM QR, or use the carrier's activation code. This often resolves provisioning hiccups. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset network settings if issues persist. This clears cached profiles but keeps data intact. If you still see errors, call your carrier with the device ICSID and activation codes, handy so they can troubleshoot server side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.